today I'm making a macaroni lentil rainbow salad. So let's get started. For this recipe I'm going to use a pre-chopped stir-fry mix. This is quick and easy to go, but you can chop your own and start fresh if you like. So just a couple of handfuls going in. Beautiful mixture of vegetables there, lovely colours. Next I'm adding in 2 cups of cooked macaroni. So this is about 1 cup of dry pasta. If you don't have macaroni or you want to use other pasta or even rice, then by all means do. Next I'm adding in half a can of brown lentils. And then add any dressing of your choice. I'm using my sweet potato dressing that I made in one of my previous videos, and I'll link to that below. And then just give this a good stir through. And that's it, lunch is served. I can't wait to dig into this. I'm super hungry. Yum, smells good. I love that dressing. Quick and easy. Give it a try, let me know what you think. Remember, you can print the recipe off my website at CookingWithPlants.com, and I look forward to seeing you for the next recipe. Bye for now. Yum.